Hey English learners, Kimberly here, and welcome to day 24 of the Learn to Speak English Without Fear 33-Day Challenge. Today, we're finishing one of the most confusing lessons in English, the TH family. Thought, though, through, and throughout. Yesterday, on day 23, you learned how these words sound different. You trained your ear, you trained your mouth, and that matters. But today is where fluency really happens, because it's not enough to pronounce these words well. You also need to know when to use each one and why native speakers choose one instead of the other. That's what we'll be mastering today. If you have ever paused and thought, which one do I use now? Tap that like button and comment TH usage in the chat. And share this video with someone who wants to speak English clearly and confidently. Now let's be honest. When you're speaking English, you are going to use one of these words. And your brain will go, maybe it's this one. That's the guess and hope trap. You guess the word, you hope it's right. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And even when people understand you, you don't feel confident. To fix this, we don't memorize grammar rules. We learn what each word does in a sentence. Here's the key idea for today. Each word in the TH family has one main job. If you know the job, you choose the right word automatically. Now we're going to make this simple by doing the job test. Okay, we're going to figure out what job each word has. The first word, thought. Its job, past of think, a belief or idea. I thought about it all day. I thought she was coming. If it's about your mind in the past, the word should be thought. Though is the next word. Though's job is contrast, like but or however. Though I weigh too much, I won't exercise. I like it. It's expensive though. If you're adding contrast, though is the word you want to use. Through. Job is movement or completion. We walked through the park. I read through the whole book. If something goes from one side to the other or from start to finish, beginning to end, through is the word you want to use. Next word would be throughout. Its job is all parts, all the time. It rained throughout the night. She stayed calm throughout the entire process. If it happens everywhere or the entire time, you want to use the word throughout. Now we're going to try using the words in the same sentence, different meaning exercise. This is for listening and meaning awareness. I want you to listen to how each meaning changes when you use a different word. He walked through the park. Another way to say that would be he crossed the park. He walked throughout the park would mean he walked all over the park. Both are correct, but the meaning is different. That's why these words matter. Now combine this with a skill that you already know, the strategic pause. We're going to make it the TH strategic pause. When you're speaking and you feel unsure, pause just for a second. Ask yourself quickly, am I talking about a past thought? Thought would be your word. Or am I adding contrast? Then though would be the right word. Am I talking about movement or completion? Then through would be the right word. Am I talking about the entire time or place? Then you would use the word throughout. For example, try this. I didn't expect it, though I'm glad it happened. See how there was that little pause just long enough to think and make sure I was using the right word? Let's try another sentence. I learned a lot throughout the project. See, that pause gives you accuracy and confidence. Gives you the little moment just to think, make sure. Now, for the next 24 hours, your challenge is to say all 4 words aloud. Use each one in a sentence. Listen to them. Listen for those words in real English. And I want you to remember, small words create big meaning. When you choose the right word, your English becomes clear, confident, and natural. No guessing, no panic, just control. Tomorrow in day 25's challenge, we move to real life English, ordering at a restaurant. See you then. Goodbye and God bless.